how to cash a check in PayPal. So cashing a check is going to be possible, but it is only supported in certain regions, and it's going to be mainly in the US. So if you do have this option, you can only do this in the mobile app since it's going to require access to your camera. Go ahead here to the bottom right corner, which is your wallets. And you should be able to find this option, which is cash a check. You're gonna go ahead and press on this, which is the plus button, and then you can type the amount and you can take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Then you're gonna wait for a review. PayPal will review it. It's going to be usually minutes to hours. Then you're gonna choose how to receive the funds. You'll have the option to do it in minutes. There's going to be fees for that, but if you don't want to add additional fees, it's going to take a few days or usually longer than the one with the fees, of course. So again, it only works in certain countries. It requires verified PayPal accounts, and not all checks will be accepted. But hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.